Hey guys, just quickly doing a video here, Vapour Barrier and how to install it, how to put it up, and other things you need to do to help seal it. Okay, this one is a 6 mil. Yeah, it's nice and thick, helps keep the draft out. It just gets stapled up and rolled out. It goes up pretty easy. After you install it, you're going to want to put black acoustic seal up. That goes around your windows, doors, whatever you have to help keep the draft out. It helps seal the vapor barrier. Usually you just kind of push down lightly on it. It'll stick to the vapor barrier, sealing it all off. Yeah, usually I do that before I put up the drywall, just to make sure everything's tight, no air's getting in, no draft. And usually you got to put the black acoustic seal along the bottom and up top. And usually I put some red tuck tape around the outlets to help keep out the draft, make sure everything's kind of secure and the vapor barrier is not going to be moving at all. And I usually tuck tape the extra off there, nice and flat, so when we put the windowsill in, and then just around the window. I'll be putting up more videos there of renovations, so please check me out.